Hello everyone, this is another lesson to help you learn irregular verbs. Beat, beat, beaten. When you beat someone in a competition, you are better than the other person or the other team. You get more points, you get more votes in a competition, in a race, in a game, which means that you win and the other person, the other team loses. So you defeat the other person, the other team. So beat means to be better in a competition than the other. Beat somebody at chess. Jason easily beats me at chess every time we play. Lewis was a tough boxer and a hard man to beat. The other meaning of beat is connected with the heart. When your heart beats, it moves in a regular rhythm as it pumps your blood. The average person's heart beats 70 times a minute. And Jennifer's heart was beating fast. When you beat someone, you hit that person or something many times with your hand or a stick or something. He used to come home drunk and beat my mother. 2 prisoners were beaten unconscious. When something beats something else, then the first thing is better than the second thing. Especially in spoken English, say it is much better and it is a more enjoyable thing than the other thing. You can't beat swimming as a good all-body exercise. And nothing beats homemade cake. When you beat an egg, or when you beat eggs, for example, you are talking about food and you are mixing things together quickly with a fork or with a special kitchen utensil. If you want to make a cake, first beat the eggs. And beat the butter and sugar together until fluffy. There are some other meanings of the word beat. Let's see some of those. Let us stop beating about the bush. When you beat about the bush, you avoid or delay talking about something embarrassing or unpleasant. You are not talking about the point. The national team was beaten 2-1, so the national team lost the game. Accountants know a few ways to beat the system. When you beat the system, you find ways of avoiding the rules of an organization or a system in order to achieve what you want to achieve. Waves beat against the cliffs. Well, in this situation, we describe waves that are hitting or striking the cliffs with force. The rain beat against my face. Here, in this sentence, beat against describes a situation when the raindrops are falling with some force onto the face of the speaker. Yeah, it suggests that the rain is not just lightly falling, but hitting the face in a noticeable way, possibly due to the force of the raindrops or the intensity of the rainstorm. Beats me why he wants such a big car. Beats me or it beats me means I don't know. I don't know why he wants such a big car. I can't explain, I don't understand. I've been beating my brains out all week to finish this essay. Meaning, I've been thinking about it very hard for a long time. Alright, that's it. If you liked the video, please click on the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the red button and have a very nice day. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.